This AI doesn't just answer your questions, it uses your computer. It opens your apps, it writes the code, it fixes the bugs, it runs all day, it runs all night, and it remembers everything. We're not talking about a chatbot. We're not talking about another ChatGPT wrapper. This is Factory AI. It just launched a brand new desktop app, and the way it works is completely different to anything you've seen before. Most people have no idea this exists right now. That's why we're breaking it down today. Factory AI is a desktop app that gives you autonomous AI agents. These agents are called Droids. And Droids don't just answer questions. They do work, real work. They build software, fix bugs, run tasks, control your computer, and they keep going without you having to babysit them. This is not prompt engineering. This is delegation. You don't sit there typing instructions back and forth. You assign a task. The agent executes it. You check the result. That's it. Think of it like this. Imagine hiring a team of digital employees. Each one has their own machine, their own memory, their own set of tasks. And they all run at the same time, in parallel, without getting in each other's way. That is what Factory AI gives you. And that is why this is a big deal. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. The first thing that blew my mind is the multi-agent system. You can run multiple AI agents at the exact same time. Not one, multiple. And each one is working on something completely different. Here's a real example. Say you're running an online community or a digital business. You could have one agent creating new content for your audience, another agent testing your onboarding flow, another agent going through support queries and flagging the ones that need attention, all three running together, in parallel, while you focus on something else entirely. That is what parallel AI work actually looks like in practice, not theory, not a demo. This is a real desktop app doing this right now. Most people are still running AI one prompt at a time. That's the old way. Multi-agent execution is the new way. And Factory AI is one of the first tools that makes it accessible. Now, this is the part that actually made me stop. Every single agent in Factory AI gets its own persistent computer, a real machine with installed packages, running services, and saved state. What that means in plain English is this. The agent does not reset. You know how every ChatGPT conversation starts from zero. No memory, no context. You have to re-explain everything every single time. Factory AI completely solves that problem. These agents wake up exactly where they left off. If an agent was building something on Monday, it picks right back up on Tuesday. The context is still there. The progress is still there. Nothing is lost. This persistent memory feature is genuinely one of the most underrated things about Factory AI. Because right now, the biggest friction with AI agents is that you have to constantly rebrief them. You have to paste context in. You have to explain the background every single time. Droids remove that friction entirely. That is a massive unlock. Quick pause right here. If you want to learn how to use AI tools exactly like Factory AI to automate and grow your business, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside the boardroom, we break down AI tools, workflows, and automation strategies that are actually working right now. We show you how to save time, build smarter systems, and run your business with less manual effort using AI. Tools like Factory AI, real use cases, real processes. That's what we do inside the boardroom every single week. No fluff, no theory, just practical AI automation you can apply straight away. Links are in the description below. Go check it out. Now back to it. Here is where things get really interesting. Factory AI agents can actually use your computer. Not just generate text. They use your browser. They run terminal commands. They open VS Code. They navigate apps. They pull data from wherever it lives. Let me give you a concrete example. Say you want an agent to check your community dashboard, pull out the latest activity stats, and put together a simple summary report. With Factory AI, you could set that up once and have it run automatically. The agent opens the browser, navigates to the dashboard, pulls the data, writes the report. Done. No copy-paste. No manual data collection. No switching between tabs and tools. The agent handles the full workflow end-to-end. This is what people mean when they talk about computer use AI. It's not AI that generates a document. It's AI that actually does the task on your machine the same way a human would. And Factory AI is one of the only tools doing this at this level right now. Here is something a lot of people miss when they look at this tool. You have a choice of how you run it. You can run agents in the cloud. You can run them on your own hardware. You can even run local AI models on your own GPU if you want full control over the setup. Why does that matter? Privacy. If you're running sensitive workflows, if you're handling client data, community information, business systems, you are not forced to send everything to a third-party server. You can keep it local. You can keep it on your own machine. That level of control is rare, and it's a big deal for anyone running a real business. It also means performance. If you have the hardware, you can push local models and get faster results without relying on API limits or cloud queues. Factory AI also has a skill system. Agents can be given reusable skills that you build once and use over and over. Think of it like a library of automated processes. You create a workflow for one thing, you save it as a skill. Every agent on your team can now access that skill. And because everything is version controlled, you can update the skill in one place and it updates everywhere. This is AI workflows as code, not one-off automations you have to rebuild from scratch every time. Proper, repeatable, scalable processes that get smarter as you improve them. For anyone running a team, this is the thing that compounds. You build a skill once, it runs forever. Let me zoom out for a second because I want to make sure you understand why this matters beyond just the features. AI is shifting. For the last couple of years, most people have been using AI as a tool. You go to it, you ask it something, it gives you an answer. You go away and do the work yourself. That's the old model. What factory AI represents is the next model. AI as workers. You assign tasks. Agents execute. You review output. That cycle replaces a huge amount of manual, repetitive, time-consuming work. This isn't science fiction. It's a desktop app you can download right now. And the businesses that learn how to run this kind of AI operation early are going to have a real structural advantage over the ones that figure it out later. The gap between people using AI as a chat tool and people using AI as an autonomous workforce is getting bigger every single month. Now let me be straight with you because I always want to give you the real picture. Factory AI is powerful, but it is not perfect yet. The upside is huge. Parallel execution, persistent memory, real computer control, privacy options, skill systems, all of that is genuinely impressive and genuinely useful. But there are real considerations too. Setup takes time. You need to understand how to structure tasks properly for agents to execute them well. And AI agents can still make mistakes. They need supervision, especially on anything high stakes. You are not pressing a button and walking away forever. You are building a system that you gradually trust more as it proves itself. That is not a reason to avoid it. That is just the honest reality of where autonomous AI is right now. It is early, it is powerful, and it rewards the people who learn it properly. This is for developers, startups, indie builders, agency owners, anyone who is running a software business or a digital operation and wants to move faster with less manual work. If you are managing a team and you want to multiply what that team can do without multiplying headcount, this is for you. If you are a solo operator and you want to run at a level that usually requires a full team behind you, this is for you. The entry point is real. The app is available now. The question is whether you learn how to use it before your competition does. Two things before you go, and I want you to pay attention to both of these. First, if you are serious about using AI to grow and automate your business, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where we go deep on AI tools, automation workflows, and the strategies that are actually working right now. Real tools, real examples, real processes you can implement straight away. We cover everything from tools like Factory AI to full business automation systems. Links are in the description below. Second, if you want to start completely free, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community with over 40,000 members who are already building with AI right now. You will get the full video notes from this video inside the community, plus access to over 100 AI use cases, SOPs, and templates ready to use straight away. Links are in the comments and the description. Drop a comment below and tell me this. Would you trust an AI agent to run parts of your business without you watching every step? Want to know where you stand on this? Julian reads every single comment. See you in the next one. Word count, 1,340 words.